The train rode slow through frozen rain, like a ghost crawling through the dark. My reflection shook against the glass, like a man already gone. Left behind burning towns in silence, young boys crying out for home, mud and blood beneath our shadows, cold steel buried in the smoke. Every night I hear them calling from the trenches in my head. Broken faces in the firelight, walking slowly through my sleep. I thought home would save me somehow, a front porch glowing in the rain, but the house forgot my footsteps and my name. My woman left without a warning. My old dog sleeps beneath the dirt. Now I drown myself in whiskey, trying not to hear the dead. Streets like a shadow begging for the end. If heaven fell down tonight, I wouldn't even move. Beside me without speaking, like she'd known my storms for years. She poured another drink in silence, her hands shaking just like mine. And somehow in that smoky darkness, I could finally breathe again. Her voice moved slow like river water, soft enough to calm the war. For the first time since returning, I didn't feel alone. My woman left without a warning. My old dog sleeps beneath the dirt. But somewhere in that blackened barroom, a light came back to life. Pieces like a prayer pulled from the flood, and inside her tired arms, I almost forgave the world.
You can stay here through the night.
Leave your ghost outside the door. Lay your weapons on the floor. You don't have to fight no more. My woman left without a warning. My woman left without a warning. My old dog sleeps beneath the dirt. But the stranger wrapped in darkness pulled me back from the edge. The dead still whisper through the whiskey, and the scars still burn like smoke, but her hands keep pulling me upward. Every time I start to fall, the train keeps rolling somewhere far away, under tired southern stars. And for the first time in so many years, I don't wanna die.